I'm gonna see how much I can survive with these 3 cans of impulse. Does anyone want me to have any more? Yeah. Okay. Well, that'll do. I can't find any more. Well, first one. Okay. Second one. Oh God. Ugh. That's horrible. That's third one's the big one. These 2 are the little ones. Sick cop standing by. One sec, let me just close the door because that's it for me. Okay. I'm ready. Right, that's horrible. Now time for the cleansing lotion test. Now, actually, gonna do the perfume test. Oh, my eyes! Ah, my eyes. Got 4 different ones. First one, this is lovely. It's from France. My friend did change, she got it for me. But yeah, don't try this at home. I'm just crazy, so yeah. Oh, it smells horrible. Oh, I can't breathe. Second one, just pink from there. Can't open it. Ugh. Right. Oh man. Ah. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. This is going to make it even harder. Britney Spears. Would get my Justin Bieber, but I didn't want to waste it, so yeah. Gonna cry. They're not alright. Oh. Oh. Oh God. And you take this experiment. Oh god. Taylor Swift Wonderstruck. Yeah. Okay. Are we ready? Oh, that's not nice. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Okay, thanks guys for watching one of my lovely challenges. Bye, I'll see you next time.